Small and humble beginnings are the launching pad to great endings. Dropping out of school at the age of 16 to help his parents put food on the table, Shan Ali is a living testament that nothing is impossible when working towards your dream. This week's Successful Fijian features a Lambasa businessman who started building his empire from selling peanuts in Lambasa town to owning several ventures, including a taxi business, sawmill, an 85-acre cane farm and a service station. Lena Reese has more.
Despite having an arranged marriage at the age of 20 to his wife Nadia Bano, Ali is now a jovial father of 5. He had a dream to have a business of his own and started working towards this as a cane cutter.
We had only 100 tons of cane, so we harvest our own cane, then we moved to do the help for the rest of the farmers. So we did for 3 years. After that, they arranged for the marriage.
Firmly holding on to his dream, he moved on to selling peanuts and other food items in Lambasa for 5 years.
It was a hard job, we worked hard. Even my wife, she worked hard. She prepared everything, so myself I go and sell. Highest I went $320. I was just trying to buy a van.
Hard work and sacrifice paid off for Ali as he started to diversify, buying a cane truck, and not too long after he bought his first taxi. But this did not come without its own challenges.
Second year, that truck got accident in the mill. End of second crossing. And then I bought that accident truck again, repaired it, and then sold it.
With the unending support from his wife, Ali then expanded to starting a sawmill in 2017. Ali's latest venture is a service station in Sianganga that not only helps him but the community and villages nearby.
From that service station, the help will be given for the rural people also.
Ali adds that his wife has been his pillar of strength, helping him overcome all the challenges they face.
Sometimes we don't have a money, because when we were doing a peanut selling, we were buying everything. And we had nothing. Wife, without her, today where I am is, I don't think that I could make it.
Having something close to a great ending, Ali plans to open a new shop on Tuesday with a plan to assist families and locals in his community. Lena Reese, FBC News.